Automarshal 222. Recognition of number plates of Poland and Hong Kong was improved. A classifier of vehicle types was added to the software. The functionality is experimental and available only for 64-bit Windows editions. The classifier model works on the basis of OpenVINO and is loaded dynamically if the classification of vehicle types is enabled on at least one video channel. By default, the following vehicle types were added: bus, SUV, truck, car, minibus. The type assigned to the vehicle is displayed in a separate column in the recognition log. A new type of video channel for parking monitoring was added to Automarshal. The channel's purpose is to track all plates of parked vehicles in the frame. A car is acknowledged as having entered the parking lot when it is found for the first time in a certain sequence of frames. When the vehicle disappears from the camera's field of view, its departure is recorded in the recognition log as exit. The difference between the time of vehicle's entry and exit is calculated and recorded as the duration of its stay in the parking lot. To ensure accurate operation of the parking monitoring channel, the control zones model was implemented in Automarshal. The model allows configuring an unlimited number of control zones for each video channel. To do this, select zones in the frame and assign a number and description to each of them. Upon number plate recognition, the control zone will be displayed in the recognition log. For each of the control zones, a report can be generated by means of selecting the appropriate parameters in the filter. You can also generate a general report for all zones. The integration with Numpass system for notifications and contactless payments in the parking lots was implemented. In car parks where the Numpass system works, the driver will be able to pay for parking contactlessly, using the application installed on his mobile phone. After the vehicle plate has been recognized, Automarshal saves information about it in the database and displays it in the recognition log. Then Automarshal sends a request to Numpass system to know if the vehicle's driver is their client. If confirmation is received, Automarshal adds the plate to the Numpass access list. When a given vehicle leaves the parking space, Automarshal calculates the duration and cost of its stay and sends this data to Numpass. After parking fee has been charged, Numpass notifies Automarshal about it, and then the vehicle can leave the parking lot. All necessary actions, for example opening a barrier, are configured in the Automarshal triggers. The support for ADAM input-output devices was added. Besides, the possibility to connect any devices using Modbus TCP protocol was implemented. All settings are made in the device control module. The grid was added in video preprocessing settings. For excellent number plate recognition, the plate should be located horizontally in the frame. There are cases, though, when the plate is at an angle and you need to align the horizon. For convenient alignment, a grid was added to the pre-processing settings. For the convenience of software use, the description of keyboard shortcuts was added to the Help tab.